Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn with AR. I hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is related to prepositions. In, on, at, into, and onto. We will go through definitions and then we will have a quiz examples. So let's get started. First we are having that is in, where we use in. In is used to show something is inside a place or space. And if something has wall around it, for example, in a room. Now room has 4 walls. The same in a box. Box has 4 walls. In a city. City is always surrounded or city has 4 walls. And another examples we are having that is in a backpack, in my shoes, in Canada, in the park, in Islamabad. They all have borders around it. The second we are having that is on. On is used to show something is on a surface. For example, on the table, on the wall, on the bus. You got a surface and something is on it. Like I live on Main Street. So on is always used when something is on a surface. Then where we use at. At is also a common preposition. And you always get MCQs of at, in, on in different papers. So we use at to show a point or specific location. For example, at home, at school, at the door. Now, if we use at for the places that has more than one room. Now home has more than one room. At the office has more than one room. At the library, at the supermarket. So it means you might be inside or nearby. Then we use at. The fourth we are having that is into, where we use into. Into is actually used at that time when there is movement from outside to inside. We are having the best example that is go into the room. It means there is a movement outside and the movement is what, like we are going to go inside. That is why we say that go into the room. Dive into the water. Then we have onto. So where we use onto is also a common preposition. Onto shows movements toward a surface. For example, jump onto the bed, climb onto the roof. Now we have the quiz number 1. So you have to tell me that where we use in the first sentence we use in, on, or at. She lives dash New York. Now New York is a city which is surrounded by walls or it has boundary. So we use in. She lives in New York. The second one we are having that is the keys are dash on the table. The keys are actually on the table. So as I said that on is used for the surface. And then we are having that is he is waiting at the bus stop. I hope this quiz is helpful for you. So you also make 2 to 3 sentences in the comment section. Second quiz is that fill in the blanks with into or onto. The cat jumped dash the roof. What can be? It can be into or onto. So the cat jumped onto the roof. He walked into the house because there is a movement. Then she poured water onto the glass. So this was all about today's. I hope this video has sparked your interest. If this video has sparked your interest, I suggest you to like, share, comment, and do subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.